In this video, I'll show you the free, no-code alternative to Apify's LinkedIn Scraper Actors. Before we start, go to the first link in the description and click it. That takes you to LinkFinder AI. Click Start Free Trial. No credit card needed, and you get free credits just for signing up. And this isn't a throwaway free trial either. Setup takes about 5 minutes. It's GDPR compliant, and you're never asked for a credit card just to start looking things up. The free credits you get actually work like the paid ones, so you can test this exact workflow before spending anything. If you've looked at Apify for LinkedIn scraping, you already know the trade-off. Their actors are genuinely powerful, but you're not just paying for the actor, you're paying for platform compute on top of it, and before any of that runs, you're usually configuring proxy settings, run inputs, and actor parameters that assume you're comfortable reading developer docs. For a sales or growth person who just wants a name turned into an email, that's a lot of setup for one lookup. LinkFinder AI does the same underlying job, turning LinkedIn data into usable contact information without any of that configuration. No actors, no proxies, no run settings to get right before your first result comes back. Let's slow down here because this is the part that actually matters most. Every lookup on LinkFinder AI follows the exact same simple logic, no matter what you're looking for. First, you choose what you already have. Then you choose what you want to find. Then you type in that one piece of information and you click Enrich Data. 3 steps every time. Watch it happen. What I have is a company name, Tesla, just to show the mechanic, though the same lookup works for any company you're researching. What I want to find is their website. I type it in, I click Enrich Data, and in a couple of seconds, there it is. The real, verified company website pulled from live data, not a guess. Now let's try the input you'll actually use most, a person instead of a company. This time, what I have is a LinkedIn profile URL. Let's start by asking for their full profile. I paste in the URL, click Enrich Data, and watch what comes back. Their name, their current title, the company they work for, their location, even a history of their past roles. Here's the part I really want you to notice. I'm not touching that LinkedIn URL again. It stays exactly the same. All I'm changing is what I want to find. Switch the output to phone number, click Enrich Data one more time, and there it is, their direct number. Switch it again, this time to email address, click Enrich Data, and there's their verified professional email. Same input, 3 completely different outputs, 3 separate lookups. You decide exactly what you need, and you only pay for the piece of data you actually asked for. Need this at scale instead of one profile at a time? Drop a CSV in as a batch. Every row gets enriched the same way, automatically, and you can see exactly which ones were found. No actor runs to monitor, no compute usage to watch, just a file that comes back filled in. And if you already have leads flowing through a CRM or an automation tool, LinkFinder AI connects natively to Zapier, Make, N8N, HubSpot, and Salesforce, so the verified contact info lands wherever your pipeline already lives. If you'd rather build this into your own stack than click through a dashboard every time, the API documentation lays out every endpoint in plain language. Company name to website, to phone, to email, and to employee count. Each one costs a single credit, and every one of them is synchronous, meaning you get your answer back immediately, not a run you have to poll for completion. Every lookup you run also shows up in your History tab, so you can go back and check exactly what you searched, what it cost, and what came back. No actor configuration, no proxy settings, no platform compute bill on top of your results. Just a lookup, an answer, and a real free trial to test it on your own list. The link is in the description.